Hi there. So I have updated the changes as required. I mean, not the changes, meaning the new file that you wanted me to update. So that's right here. To start with, just one change that I had to make to the sheet that you shared, and also you can see that I've used the same thing here in terms of the report name, just so that I can use a lot of other things previously. So I just moved only this particular column from here, what we had like after the company. So when you have new data, just move that before copy pasting it at the bottom. Okay, so that's one changes that I wanted to highlight. And with respect to the you know there are a few updates that I mentioned regarding this particular scroller and everything on the previous message that I sent you, so please do check that. So start with a little bit of additional things that I have given in terms of the data. If you go here, you'll be able to see all the data that you have, and here, and the query is, there are a lot of things that you could do with the queries and everything. So at the moment, let's keep that as out of scope, because we have literally an ocean of work that you could do with the queries and everything. But I can guarantee for sure that this works as how you would do for a different thing. To Okay, so this is the overall thing that I'm planning to give you. I did restore this one based on the category that you have in the tree map, but if I use any other obviously, like brand and everything, that's like it's getting a bit kind of cumbersome. So that's why I did keep that. So to see that, to okay, so moving on to the you know a view page. So like, let's say if you go to the actual size, there are easy ways to zoom in and zoom out. You can zoom in each and every chart. Like, for example, if you wanted to zoom out, you can do that. You can zoom here as well to see what it is. And also, if you wanted to scroll up and down, you can either do, you can check that it's sorted in such a way that it is works fine. So the same way I fit with. So you can do the same thing with respect to the changes that you have here as well. So that could be updated here as well. So this is your top brand. First, let me tell you what are what, and then we can go ahead. So this is your outdoor and the thing. Remember the question that you had. You wanted to compare the outdoor versus the rest of the media information. So that is shown here. So that's the first chart. With respect to the next chart, if I scroll to the right, you can see that's the total media by the class and the year. So that's updated. At the moment we have only 1 year, so that's why that has just one line. If you have like multiple years, obviously you'll have like one more line next to it. This one shows you the top brands on the sort. You mentioned top 10 categories, but you can see it is already sorted. So when you kind of go down, like use your mouse and go down, it will actually show you every single one of them. So it is not just restricted to top 10, it shows you everything, but it's up to you to use top 10. But in the visibility, it shows like about that top 10 on top. So that's that. With respect to the tree map, the measure by category, each of the category in total, how much it is, that information is right here. And the next one what we have is the total media. That's the total media cost. This is also total media by category. This one is total media by the company. So again, you can do zoom each of these and see how it is, just so that you would have a better picture. And that is pretty much how it is. You can even scroll to the right and see this. I think this is the same scenario that you had in the previous one as well. So that is that. Yeah, so there are few additional things that I have added that you might not have. These information are coming from the source that I mentioned about. Just make sure that this also has the same name but linked to a different location or something, and then it'll start working. So let me know if this works. And for the if there are no changes, we can agree to whatever cost we just mentioned about. But if there are any other additional changes, let's probably discuss on it a little later and proceed. Okay, thank you very much and have a good day. Bye bye.